Most people fail the Security Plus before they even walk into the testing center. Why? Because they are studying for a world that doesn't exist anymore. They are watching 10-hour video marathons, trying to memorize definitions from a textbook, while their life, their jobs, their commutes, their gym time passes them by. When I started out, the Security Plus was my first exam as well, and I did the same stuff. I paid thousands for boot camps, was glued to books, flashcards, scouring YouTube with hope that it wasn't misinformation, and asking my family and friends to help quiz me. The industry has moved on. The CompTIA Security Plus is now defined by cloud-native ephemeral workloads, synthetic identity fraud, and AI-driven exploitation. If your study material hasn't evolved, you aren't just wasting your time. You're training to be obsolete. I built this course to be different. I've architected a 31-video security guide that bridges the gap from Security Plus all the way to CISSP. Why? Because understanding the lens that your senior resources and management look through is important. Understanding that your manager's focus is on cost and impact. Your senior engineer is walking away and ignoring you because his technical controls should have picked this up and blocked the login attempt from 2 different locations around the globe before it got this far. I want to help you become job ready, but more importantly, I've solved the time gap. In this course, we don't just watch videos. We integrate security into your daily life. Whether you are at your desk or on the move, the lab is always open. Here's the real secret sauce. I know you're busy. You have a life, a commute, and goals that don't always involve sitting in front of a monitor. That is why I built the SecGuy mobile lab. This isn't just another app. Leveraging the advanced voice capabilities of AI, we've created a custom AI-powered study partner trained exclusively on our verified data. This is high-fidelity learning. The SecGuy mobile lab turns your gym time, your work commute, or your grocery run into a high-octane study session. Want a short quiz on Domain 3 architecture while you're on the treadmill? Just ask. Need a deep dive into the difference between WPA3 and 802.1x while you're stuck in traffic? Your partner is ready. It provides real-world examples, clarifies complex topics, and keeps you sharp, hands-free. This is how you reclaim your time and dominate the exam without sacrificing your life. More importantly, you have the opportunity to verbalize and articulate these scenarios and concepts. I've broken the Security Plus syllabus into 31 bite-sized mini-courses. We cover the 5 domains with a level of technical depth that makes the exam feel like a formality. Domain 1 and 2, Foundations and Threats. We mastered the CIA triad and threat modeling before diving into the AI threat landscape. We look at model poisoning and prompt injection, concepts other courses ignore but are the #1 threat in modern enterprise. Domain 3, Architecture. We build the defense in depth. You'll learn Zero Trust, NIST 800-207, and Master Cloud IAM. In this lab, we understand that identity is the new perimeter. Domain 4 and 5, Ops and Governance. We walk through the incident response lifecycle and the administrative guardrails of security governance. You'll learn to manage third-party risk and speak the language of the C-suite. While the mobile lab handles your conceptual mastery, SecGuy.org is where you get your hands dirty. We aren't just talking about tools, we are using them. Our AI Skills Lab is a controlled, high-stakes environment where you will practice executing and defending against the OWASP LLM Top 10. You'll learn to identify insecure output handling and prompt injection in real time. We offer specialized labs on vulnerability management, network segmentation, and cloud posture. When you sit down for an interview and they ask if you have experience with AI security or cloud configuration, you won't say, "I read about it." You will say, "I've executed it in the lab." This is the Zero Experience Bridge. We are turning your study hours into a professional portfolio. Finally, we focus on the result, the job. Passing the exam is the gate, but the SecGuy career engine is how you win. At secguy.org, we give you the job-ready resources that most boot camps charge thousands for. Salary negotiation. Learn to quantify your value using your lab portfolio. Then, we show you how to handle those tricky salary conversations so you can get the maximum pay for your skills. The first 90 days. A playbook on how to survive and thrive in your first SOC role. Free exam resources, high-fidelity practice questions, and cheat sheets for every domain. Why follow me? Because I'm not just giving you a certificate. I'm giving you a hands-free study partner to reclaim your time, a technical lab to build your skills, and a career strategy to change your life. Step 1. Go to secguy.org and get your free account. Step 2. Join the Discord. Introduce yourself. Start connecting. Join a study group. Step 3. Download the SecGuy mobile lab. Step 4. Start the course and start learning. Get the reps in, get the cert, and let's get you that job. I am SecGuy, and the lab is officially open. Until next time, stay safe, stay secure.